Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video, we're going to be looking at a limited edition 16th anniversary light from SoFirn, and this is one of 1,000. Now, mine is a creator edition that they sent me. It's not part of that 1,000. In fact, the only difference between what you're going to see in my box and yours if you purchase this is that yours is going to have an actual number on it that is 1 to 1,000. Again, it's a very limited edition set. This is going to be $46.99 regular price, but whenever they launch this, and if you're watching this video, it just launched, it's going to have a discount. I think it's going to be on sale for $39.99. I'll put links in the description. You can make sure and go check it out. The price could be different. That's just what I was told. So I'm going to show you what's in the box, show you how unique it is, and then you can decide if it's something that you want to pick up. So full disclosure here, I have already opened up this box. You can see my 16th anniversary little seal over here has been broken. It was also wrapped like in cellophane and stuff like that as well. But if we open up the lid, you can see the SoFirn logo in copper, and that's the idea behind all this lighting, is that this is a red copper edition. It is to patina over time, so I guess it is actually made out of copper, or at least a coating of copper in some form or fashion. That was one of the big things that they marketed, was that it was going to patina over time. So it looks bright and shiny right now. Here is the light. It's just a little small square cube. You can see how it fits in my hand. It is magnetic back here on the back side. You can pop that onto anything you want to that's magnetic, but there's tons of other options in here as far as for mounting it as well. Here is a little thank you card. It even comes with like a wax seal, like somebody did it with a signet ring. That's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and break it open, hopefully without tearing it too awful bad. It is basically a, thank you for 16 years, basically, of, SoFirn being a thing. You also get this coin. There is the front side. There is the back side of that. And then up in here, there is just a clip. I went ahead and put the band on here because if we open this up, there's even more stuff once you dig down inside of here. But I went ahead and put the watch band on here. But basically, you have a clip. So think about all the other clip lights that are out there. If you remove this watch band, you could easily just clip that onto whatever you want to. We'll take the light, that magnet there, you can see, just pops in there. You can make that light point whatever direction you want to out of that clip, so you can kind of move it around. So where other clips don't have, a way to move your light around to get to different directions, this one you can pretty much put it anywhere you want to on that clip. It's going to click into place. And then the band was down inside of here, so you can also wear it, as kind of on your arm if you want to, and adjust that. Just clips together. You run it through here like so, and I'll kind of show it to you again just to give you an idea. You can wear it on your wrist, and again, move that light around to point in whatever direction that you want it to. So that's going to be good if you want to, like, wear it on your wrist while you're working, or maybe you just want to put it on real fast. You're walking around somewhere, maybe you're hiking, you need to fumble around in your bag and get your keys. You walk up to your door and you're trying to unlock the door. Do you want a little, light on your wrist? Whatever it is, it's just an option of how you can wear that light. Wear it on your wrist like so. Also comes with kind of the little ball chain. You can put that through this part right here. It takes a little while of fishing, but you will eventually get it through there as you play around with it. So close. There we go. You can also wear it as a, necklace if you want to. Put it on there like that. Also comes with, inside this box, a key ring that you can also run this through those same two holes. Put it on your keys if you want to. And then on top of that, you get this little small carabiner that has a knife. Also some little spots here for some metric hex sizes, bottle opener, carabiner. So multiple ways to mount this thing. Tons of stuff in this box. It's pretty good value in my opinion for that $46.99 or the $40. But ultimately it is a limited edition. It's a copper light, clip light, all sorts of ways that you might would want to use this. Like I said, lighting up your doorknob or searching around in your tool bag, multiple options. Again, put it as a clip light with that magnet there, wear it on your wrist, wear it around your neck, put it on your keychain, that carabiner. And then as far as light options go, you can see if I turn it on, you've got the white light, and then you just press and hold and it cycles through 4 different white light modes there. Or you can turn it off, double press, UV light, turn it off, press and hold. That's going to get you into the RGB mode. And while you're in that mode right there, if you double press it, you can cycle to some different settings within that RG mode as far as the flashings and different things like that. So multiple modes, but again, the biggest thing is copper patina. It's going to probably look really good over time. And then also it's limited edition, you know, 1 of 1,000. I would think that these are going to end up going quick at the price that they are. So if it's something that you're looking into, you might want to go ahead and pull the trigger on it. Now, obviously nobody probably has one of these to give us feedback in the comments below, but if you think you're going to get one of these, drop that in the comments below and let me know why. But as always, I'm just letting you know that this is out there. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.